The need for a NGO working on child sexual abuse is the greatest understatement you can make in India. 53.22% of all children in this country have been sexually abused. CSA happens because it can. ऐसा आदमी होगा, ऐसा आदमी होगा, नहीं, ऐसा आदमी होगा, नहीं. It can happen with any child. It can happen being done by any adult. It can happen anywhere under any circumstance. If somebody starts to talk to you online and begins to say sweet things to you, and if somebody walks up to you and gives you a gift without you asking for it, your first response should be one of suspicion. Now, how do you prevent child sexual abuse? You go into schools, you go into neighborhoods, you go into colonies, you go into cooperative housing societies, you go to clubs, and you talk to children that this is what might happen. The parts covered by a swimming costume are the parts that nobody can touch except doctor or a trusted adult like your parents. ऐसा नहीं कि हम छुपके से हमने कुछ कहा, हाँ आप समझ गए और फिर हम निकल गए. नहीं, the discussion will happen, a debate will happen. The parent will go home and talk to the child. Build a relationship of trust and friendship with your child. Your child should know only one thing. If anything goes wrong in this world with me, whether it's my studies or my friends or anything, tomorrow I might take a sip of alcohol, day after I might take a drag of a cigarette, third day I might be tempted to try some drugs, any age, any time, anything, you can tell me. You can tell me, I will not judge you, I will not punish you, I will not hold it against you in the future, but tell me. Because you are my heart. And if you don't tell me, then why am I on this earth? You know, Nirbhaya triggered off what is known as the maybe third wave of gender justice in the gender justice movement in this country. Along with gender, there comes safety of girls, there comes safety of women, there comes societal, how does society look at girls and women? How does the media look at girls and women? The sexualization of women and young women who are almost girls. Even if somebody touches your breast on a train or on a crowded bus, that is sexual abuse. It is an invasion of your physical privacy or your emotional privacy or your online privacy sexually. That is the abuse that's happening to you. Prevention, prevention, prevention. That is the game. That you win that game and you will slowly, वो जो नलका है ना वो बंद हो जाएगा. Well, reporting is mandatory. As soon as you come to know about a child who's been sexually abused, you have to report it. It's a dynamic process. What is legal, what is illegal, finally comes to morality, comes down to the way society functions. So I think in that respect, what could have been considered terrible 30, 40 years ago might not be considered that bad right now, because we've moved, we've evolved as a society.
Attention, a friend, love, and education.
All the various workshops we used to do, it was always physical. बच्चे बैठते थे, वर्कशॉप 2 घंटे का होता था, फिर माँ बाप बैठते थे और 2 घंटे, फिर स्कूल के बस ड्राइवर्स, कैंटीन वर्कर्स, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव फोक वो बैठते थे, लास्टली में टीचर्स बैठते थे, एंड द लैंग्वेज केप्ट चेंजिंग. तो 1-2 दिन लगते थे किसी एक संस्था, किसी एक स्कूल में काम पूरा कंप्लीट करने का. बट नाउ विद द ऑनलाइन मॉडल वी आर रेडी टू गो एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड. अंग्रेजी में है, हिंदी में है और मराठी में है. ठीक है, हिंदी मराठी विल बी लोकलाइज्ड इन इंडिया, बट English can go anywhere. It has really opened up a great new world of opportunity, which will help us scale up in a way that we would never have dreamt before. 10 साल पहले, nobody wanted to talk about child sexual abuse. ऑलमोस्ट एज इफ अगर आप खुल के आप इसके बारे में बात करोगे तो और भी फैल जाएगा. सो इन द लास्ट 3 to 5 years वी आर गेटिंग कॉल्स कि यार आ जाओ, हमारे सारे कक्षा जो है स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम स्टैंडर्ड 4 to स्टैंडर्ड 12 आप कर लीजिए प्लीज़. दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड हर साल आइएगा क्योंकि हर साल देयर इज अ न्यू बैच कमिंग इन एंड अ न्यू बैच गोइंग आउट. The folks at GoDaddy came to us and said, listen, the kind of work you're doing, the most important, taken seriously and prestigious domain that you should have is not a .com or a .in, it should be a .org. Is the most trusted, most credible, the correct domain to have for an NGO like ours. I would urge everybody to seek, to not wait for it to happen. This is not something that can be reversed. दाग लग गया तो मैंने ब्लीच लगा के निकाल दिया, नहीं. इस पे जब दाग लगता है तो निकलता नहीं है. बहुत मुश्किल से अगर निकलता है तो आधा निकलता है. तो बेहतर है कि आप इसको प्रोटेक्ट करें कि दाग ना लगे.